introduce myself. My name is Yesi Elsa Fitriyani. I'm from the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education in English programs. Okay, I will introduce the application of learning English. We know learning English is now increasingly developing with the existence of technology. Activities that focus on technology make English more flexible to learn in any place. Not only computers that are the means of learning media, even smartphones that have a mini size can be transformed into a super complete learning media. Great application for learning English is the English Grammar Handbook. English Grammar Handbook is an application for learning English grammar with learning criteria that are so complete. There are dozens of topics you can choose and use to learning English. The English Grammar Handbook is very suitable for the beginners. This application is to practice grammar skills. You can download this application in Play Store. You can write English grammar. Click. This application is English Grammar Handbook. And then install. Open the application. In this application, there are some material about grammar is tenses, common mistake, and other. We try open the material about tenses. Here is an application about past tense. Here is an application about past tense, and then explanation is complete and pattern. This is very complete, the material. Common mistake. This one is the same. Here is an explanation about have and has, and then Example. It's very complete, the material. Other. Same about tenses, common mistake. Any explanation about the material? Try to open the test. This test have several materials available for this application. You just have to choose which one you want, such as adverb, open, any question about adverbs is I have been a fan of mystery stories since I was quite young. We chose quiet. Will appear right or not the answer. If true, there will be a sound like this music. If wrong, we try. Nah, if you wrong the question, will answer right. Color blue. We try practice. Part 1, part 2, and part 3. Part 1, grammar practice 1. In this question, Sam will appear right or not the answer. The level of pollution, blah blah blah, in our local river, so there are more fish in it now. We try answer. You remember, if wrong, the question will the color is blue. And the same, and so on and so on. Part 1 and part 3. Now, explanation from me about the English Grammar Handbook application. One which topic there be a very good explanation. The appearance is so simple, and most importantly, this is a free application without quota, so you can simply download and then use it whenever you want. Thank you for have watched this channel. Hopefully there are benefit, guys.